Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to read 29th chapter of this novel and today's topic heading is on avoiding effort. There is just something wrong with getting up every day and moving through your existence with the least possible effort. If your expectations are always those of someone content to live without physical challenge, then when it comes time for a mental moral or emotional challenge, you fail to meet it because you are out of practice. This is written by Mark Repitoe. So, in today's chapter, we are going to read about that how important is physical activity, why we need to challenge ourselves physically, mentally, emotionally, and what could be effect of these things. Okay, so let's read and see that what else is given there. I consider physical exercise is a fundamental habit for every person who want to build self-discipline and achieve their goals. Granted, not everyone has the health required for strenuous physical activity, but there is always some kind of effort you can undertake to move your body in a beneficial way. So, the author is talking about that how important is physical exercise. It is like a fundamental habit of anything which is vital to do, but most of us don't do in the way. He is not talking about that we have to do in the strenuous physical activity, but we can do some kind of physical activity which will benefit us in some way. In addition to obvious health benefit, physical activity provides another immense benefit. It is exercise in exposing yourself to effort and challenge for the sake of bettering yourself. As Mark Repetoe stated in the quote, living your life without physical challenges make you rusty when it comes to dealing with other type of challenges, including mental, moral, or emotional challenges that sometimes require more strength than a fitness workout does. So here we are talking about that if we are not doing a physical activity, so it will be like rusty iron. If you have seen, might be that if we keep any iron in the open area and that is not in use, so you can see a rusty over that iron. So if we don't do a physical activity, so our body become like a rusty jung lag jana, it become like that, and it affect our mental, moral, and emotional. It include all those things because if we are not working on our fitness or our physical activity, so it affect that also because we are not trained for a activity, so it is hard to deal with those also. How often do you avoid effort when it would have been beneficial to face it? If you are content to live an easy, effortless life, are you also content to live your life without ever realizing your full potential as a human being that has evolved to thrive in a challenging environment? And if you are not doing this thing, especially physical activity, it means we are not using our potential because human beings are involved in a way that always face a challenge to evolve, and in our ancient time we can see that we have to do a lot of physical activity to survive, but in this passive era we are just sitting on chair and doing all those work, so we don't need any physical activity. And if we don't include from our side any physical activity to, so it will affect our others overall well-being, we can say, and just like a mental, emotional, and we are not capable to fight to our challenges. So it is all about that how physical activity is our fundamental habit and why we should do it, because it is a fundamental and we are evolved around it, so we cannot escape. If we are skipping it, it will affect our overall well-being. So it is all about this. If you like this chapter, you can hit the like button, share with your friends, and subscribe for more updates. Fifth week of this series, and we continue learning. It take hardly 5 to 6 minutes, sometimes only 2 to 3 minutes to read one chapter. And if you are reading by yourself, it will hardly take you 2 to 3 minutes. So you can start from here, and this book is all about that how we can improve ourselves. It is about 365 days of challenge. We can read one page daily, we can do some kind of work which challenge us, we can take new challenges, we can work on our fitness, we can work on our diet. It is all about that. If we can seriously follow this, so I think it will be a really beneficial for our upcoming years and for our future goals. It also helps in our to achieve our goals and all those things. So thank you so much for today, and we will meet tomorrow with a new chapter, and that will be our 30 days.